anyone gets upset with me, these are my neighbor's kitties. They are indoor-outdoor cats, not my choice. But they invited themselves to my house one day. So this is my Blink doorbell button and the motion detector, plus the light bulb's motion detector. And this is Midnight and Garfield. Midnight's not the brightest bulb in the box. He likes to sleep beside the cat bed, and Garfield, he's a peeping Tom. But this is Lady. Lady decided one day that while I was unloading groceries, she would get under my feet and just make herself at home inside my house. And she invited her clan with her. Yeah, she can be a little bit of a stinker in the daytime. And of course at night. Now, by jumping on the railing, it created a motion. It alerted me, and she quickly figured it out. And then she would swing her paw in front of the sensor to get my attention. But then, she accidentally found the doorbell button. Although I'm not quite sure if that was an accident. But now she's a good old pro at it. She just rings the doorbell when she wants in. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Later, guys.